Hello, this is Chris from Quadshot Software with the next in the series of videos on OpenTickets Community Edition seating. In the previous tutorial, I showed you how you could price all of the seats that you had created ready for sale. In this tutorial, we're going to tie everything together by showing how you create an event that can use the seating charts you've created with all of those various prices that you set. Now, the first thing we're going to need to do in the seating chart is to assign the venue that it's going to be used with. I only have one venue created on my system, and if I go to the drop-down box here on the top right-hand side, you'll see it'll list all of the venues you've created, and it's found the venue I created called simply My Venue. Having set that, I'm going to update the seating chart. The next thing I need to do is create the actual event. So let's go to the events section, and we're going to add an event. We're going to call it simply Event 1. And as I scroll down the page, we're going to set the featured image for the event. And in this case, I've just got a test little JPEG here that says Event 1. Set that as the featured image. Now we need to actually create the event. The first thing we need to do is to set the event date by clicking on the button marked New Event Date. We're going to set this to be Saturday the 30th of May, and in terms of the time, it's going to be from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. and we're going to add that event to our calendar. If we scroll down underneath the calendar, you can see the usual properties little box for the event. We're going to select that. And as before, we're going to set the status of the event to be published if we want it to appear in the event calendar on our site. The visibility is already public. The published date will default to today and the time that we actually save it. The venue is going to be My Venue. The event area is going to be the seating chart that you created that is tied up with that particular area. You can see seating 1. And here we have the pricing structure. There are two pricing structures available, evening for evening prices and matinee for our cheaper matinee prices. This is an event running from 8 to 10 p.m., so it's an evening performance, so we're going to set the evening price in, and we're going to update. That's everything set. Now if we go and publish that event, to show you what this looks like on your site, here in the event properties are a number of little links that allow. The E link allows you to edit, V is view, and X would delete that event. We want to view it, so let's click on that, and this opens the event. You can see here the associated image that I put as the featured image, and here just down below you can see the seating chart. Now let's suppose I'd like to buy a couple of seats. Let's suppose I'm going to buy, let's say I want D1 and D2. So I first of all click on D1, and then I click on D2, and that shows that those two seats have been reserved. And down here you can remove them from your selection by clicking that. Otherwise, if I wanted to buy them, I would proceed to my shopping cart, and again here you see the two seats available. I could apply a coupon if such was available. It's telling me what my subtotal is, and they're now ready for being sold.